MAGNUS, Lean High Throughput Tissue Processor. MAGNUS is a rapid, high throughput tissue processor engineered with proprietary milestone patented processing technology. MAGNUS addresses the needs of lean labs requiring a flexible tissue processor and is highly adaptable to personalized and customized workflows. MAGNUS is designed to accommodate any kind of histological specimen and workload. Histotechs can process urgent and small biopsies on demand, as the MAGNUS processor is always available thanks to its double retorts and automatic arm configuration. These small biopsies, which can account for 45 to 75% of the total volume of a modern histopathology lab, are rapidly processed to eliminate peaks in the workload. The short processing time with MAGNUS allows for faster embedding, cutting and staining of specimens so that slides are available for the pathologist on the same day. Larger specimens, such as fatty tissues like colon and breast, can also be rapidly processed, either during the remaining part of the daily shift or overnight. The MAGNUS robotic arm enhances throughput thanks to the automatic transfer of cassettes from the reagent retort to the paraffin retort. As the cassette rack is moved to the second retort, a new rack can be loaded in the first retort and a new program can be started. With this method, lean lab principles are achieved through rapid processing cycles. A flexible batch size of up to 210 cassettes can be loaded every 45 minutes to 3 hours, according to the various protocols that are set according to the specimen's thickness. MAGNUS gives you the full flexibility to process any kind of tissue in conventional, super mega, mega slim or synergy cassettes. MAGNUS software contains a user-friendly graphic interface for fast and simple icon-driven operations. Thanks to the intuitive touchscreen display, the administrator can easily manage the protocol selections or create or modify new ones. To manage reagent configurations, the administrator is able to control the appropriate access level for each user. The operator is easily able to recall and run existing processing protocols. An event log lists all activities carried out by the unit, providing documentation for service and quality assurance purposes. Color-coded lighting instructions are built in to facilitate operator intervention. The lighting system changes status while processing runs and gives status notifications such as reagent replacement requirements and sudden interruption of operation. MAGNUS standard protocols are based on using ethanol and isopropanol alcohols for operation as a xylene-free open system. Dedicated reagents such as Milestone's proprietary Mile 1 and Mile 2 can also be used to enhance the quality of fatty tissues with rapid processing. For ease of operation, MAGNUS can operate with most standard 5 litres or 1 gallon commercial containers, thus reducing decanting time, daily maintenance and reagent replacement downtime for the laboratory staff. During each reagent container replacement, the label as well as the loading position get scanned to avoid the use of a wrong solution during processing. Thanks to its internal configuration, water-based reagents such as formalin and alcohols have 2 different hydraulic circuits to get in and out of the main retort. This configuration avoids water contamination in processing reagents, thus guaranteeing quality results. A highly sensitive ultrasonic reagent sensor detects the correct solution and its purity while processing. This sensor allows for full specimen safety by detecting any alcohol-based reagents which are exhausted or contaminated by water. Once detected by the sensor, they are not used during the run. An advanced system for real-time monitoring dramatically reduces downtime and increases the efficiency of your laboratory. Thanks to MileWatch, lab managers can get real-time text alert notifications regarding run status, time to completion and error alarms. Thanks to the rapid processing protocols, MAGNUS requires only a fraction of the amount of reagents normally used by conventional units. The elimination of xylene has a great impact on toxic reagent disposal costs and also extends the life of paraffin, allowing further reuse of wax. The reduction of reagent costs compared to traditional xylene processing can therefore be reduced by about 30 to 40%. The built-in management system allows for monitoring of the amount of reagents and wax used, either based on the number of specimens processed, number of cycles performed, or days of use. The operator can easily check the reagent and wax conditions using the status icons located on the screen. Milestone's application team worked first-hand with the engineering team to create MAGNUS processing protocols using the experiences they've gained over more than 20 years of working with rapid processing. The speed of processing does not compromise the quality of results. Protocols are selected to ensure all specimens receive the appropriate treatment according to tissue type and dimensions. MAGNUS allows for the use of any type of fixative as well as state-of-the-art formalin fixation. Rapid processing protocols have been validated to guarantee optimal specimen morphological preservation and molecular preservation. The delayed fixation mode allows MAGNUS to fulfill all CAP ASCO guidelines for assessing HER2, ER and PGR testing in breast tissues. MAGNUS Tissue Processor, bringing true lean operations to your lab.